Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Fiesta Lasagna. Alright, I'm starting on my multi-pan I have preheating, and I have 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm going to get this in where I'm going to brown it up, and then I'm going to drain off the excess grease. Alright, now that my ground beef is all browned up and I drained off the grease, I'm going to add in 2 packs of taco seasoning. Dexter's all excited because he smells this taco seasoning. Now I have 1 red jalapeno. It turned red. This is from my sister-in-law Candy's garden. So I figured I'd use it before it goes bad. Now I have my heat set down on low. I'm going to allow this to fry just for a few minutes to get that taco seasoning flavor into the ground beef, and until that jalapeno starts to soften up a little bit. Alright guys, this literally just went for like 2 or 3 minutes. And this is something I made up in my head because I made that there taco lasagna last week, and I thought, well, I'll make lasagna with lasagna noodles. And I couldn't call it taco lasagna because I already made that, so I'm calling it Fiesta Lasagna. Now I have a 24-ounce jar of thick and chunky salsa. This is mild. I'm going to dump that down in there. I have 2 jars just in case, but I'm going to check this out. I think we're going to be good with 1 jar. I'm just going to add a little bit of water in this jar to rinse it out, to thin out that sauce just a hair. I'm putting about 1/4 cup of water in this jar. And I'm going to add that to the pan. And I'm going to allow this to simmer just for a few minutes here. Alright, in a 9x13 baking pan, I'm going to spray a little bit of canola spray in there. And I'm going to take a little bit of my meat mixture and put it down on the bottom. This is going to help keep our lasagna noodles from sticking. Try not to get it all over your stove. Now I'm going to take my lasagna noodles. I have a pound of lasagna noodles here. I cooked to the directions on the pack. I boiled. I'm going to go ahead and layer in some lasagna noodles. And if I get a little bit of pasta water in there, that's fine. That'll help give this moisture. And I'm going to take one and lay it along the bottom here. We'll just let that fold it over. Now I'm going to take some more meat mixture. I'm going to spread that out on top of the noodles. Dexter, you're getting quiet. Yeah. And guys, you could add refried beans into this, or even chili with beans. Dress it up any way you like. Now I have some Fiesta blend cheese. This is pretty much like taco cheese. If you can't get this taco cheese to work this great, I'm going to layer a healthy layer of cheese in there. Now I'm going to build up all of my layers of lasagna like this, so I run out of stuff, like I did the first layer. And when I get it all put together, I'll bring it back. Okay, now that I have this all put together and I got 3 layers, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes are up, I'm going to pull it out and let it rest for a few minutes. That way when we cut it, it won't fall apart. Alright guys, I took this out of the oven and I left it rest for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to finish this up by garnishing it with some green onion. I just want to put a nice healthy coating on there. And I put my green onion in the fridge so they're a little cool, but the lasagna will warm them up in a hurry. Alright guys, this is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, this would be great topped with some sour cream if you do sour cream, or even some pico de gallo. Just keeping it simple. See how nice that's holding together because I left it rest. Get in here and try this. It's really good, cheesy, well seasoned with that taco seasoning and the salsa. The lasagna noodles are nice and tender. You can see how cheesy that is. That's really delicious, guys. And if you try it, you're going to love it. Alright, there you have it. Fiesta Lasagna. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see you.